Great Wall Chinese, Book 2, Unit 2. Hello everyone, this is Hanku.com. Today our new word is east, 东, 东.
滚滚长江东逝水，浪花淘尽英雄。是非成败转头空，青山依旧在，举头夕阳红。
This is quoted from Yang Shen's verse, The Immortal by the River, which was laid on the head page of Romance of the Three Kingdoms. In Chinese tradition, the orientation of east is very auspicious. According to the theory of Zhou Yi, east corresponds to the season of spring, and it is the symbol of the start of the natural circulation. There was also a legend about Lao Tzu, a famous philosopher lived in the 6th century BC, with the orientation of east. Once upon a time, Lao Tzu was traveling westward on an ultramarine bull when he passed by the Hangu Pass and met Yin Xi, the chief director of the pass. Yin Xi saw purple air coming from east the day before and knew that a saint would come, so he waited there for the whole day. He finally met Lao Tzu, who passed by riding on an ultramarine bull. Then the idiom 紫气东来 came into being, which is used to describe auspice.
古老的东方有一条龙，它的名字就叫中国。古老的东方有一群人，他们全都是龙的传人。
As the song by Li Hongwang goes, China is located in the Eastern 8th time zone. That is to say, China is one of those countries that witness the sunrise earliest. Because of the location, many institutions and corporations tend to be named with East or Orient, especially in Shanghai. For example, the most symbolic erection of Shanghai is the Oriental Piero TV Tower. In Shanghai, we have the Oriental TV, the Eastern Airline, and eastday.com, which is the most authoritative website in terms of the information in Shanghai. In addition, the first successfully launched satellite in China was named as Red East First. Frankly speaking, there is a considerable gap between the eastern and western part of China. With the advantaged coastal location and the policy of opening and reform, Chinese eastern cities such as Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Dalian have enjoyed an economic boom. In the last 2 decades, meanwhile, the western was left behind in many areas. Chinese government has implemented a strategy of developing the western region since the beginning of this century. Large amounts of staff and volunteers were sent from the east to the west in support of local construction, especially in the domain of health and education. Otherwise, investments and techniques have been introduced into western areas constantly these years. The transportation between west and the east is more and more convenient, and people from different regions are getting closer and closer. Now let's review today's new word, 东. Thanks for watching. See you later.